They got my marketing off the ground. I used to think marketing was expensive, and now I look for where can I spend my marketing dollars. One of the best things that Repair Shop Tomorrow produces for me is my monthly newsletter. I have the opportunity to stick my own little tidbits in there, and sales drivers that drive new clients in, my current clients in. That is definitely the best part of it.
Marketing's been a huge improvement. Actually, it's an aspect of our business we didn't spend a lot of time on before. Do It For Me advertising. They take care of putting our ads together for us and sending out our monthly newsletter, putting those ideas together, as well as our Facebook.
Oh, they have helped me with my marketing tremendously just by implementing my marketing. Like so many other small business owners, I was like a month behind my marketing. Somebody would call, what kind of promotion? You know, local ads. We want to run a brake promotion. Now we're a month ahead of our marketing.
Marketing is all done for me, which is a lifesaver. I don't have to stress about getting anything in the mail or emailed or text or anything. So they are excellent at doing all this for me. So.
Well, before we signed up, we really didn't have a marketing plan. All we ever did was put ads in a newspaper or a school program. Just didn't really know how to go about marketing, and Repair Shop has helped us with that.
They have helped make my marketing pretty much seamless. I don't have to think about it. I have choices, I make my choices, and it's done for me.
Introducing us to Upswell as well as Dynamicard. We've averaged an average repair order of $1,100 with a Dynamicard. We've actually had to put the brakes on because it's working so well. So.
Yep. And I might add the other way they've helped is it's like inserting another manager into our team.
Some of the things I didn't quite have confidence in until I put them to the test, and they proved to be absolutely powerful.
Shop flow has definitely improved a lot. We track everything, and definitely gets the cars in and out without us forgetting a step in the process.
So they streamline the process of the day-to-day operations and hold us accountable to get that taken care of.
So Repair Shop Tomorrow has helped me put in system operation procedures. When we started, we virtually had nothing. We thought it was simple, common sense stuff. We got educated to find out it's not so simple, it's not so common sense, and we were able to implement all the different policies and procedures, make sure everybody's on track, keeping accountability.
It's been a lifesaver. Before RSOT, I had no clue what to do on that. So as far as the day-to-day, having the systems in place and the digital inspections, been a lifesaver, and these guys are on top of cutting-edge technology.
He's defined it and put it in order for us, and has helped us make it routine. And I think as it becomes a habit, you do it much better.
Oh my goodness, before we started with Repair Shop, we didn't really have any systems or procedures in place at all. So to be able to go from having nothing and then being able to organize and create the exact same thing repetitively over and over again has helped us become so much more successful and efficient.
It's been great. Yeah, it's helped to bring things into focus, and we're always talking about the experience in my shop and having consistency, and it's really absolutely helped with that.
It's been huge. Before Repair Shop Tomorrow, we started recording our KPIs, but then knowing what to do with them and what decisions to make that will make those better for us. My coach from Repair Shop has definitely helped with that.
The business flow chart makes us much more efficient when we follow the system, and we can tell when we aren't following the system, our shop is not as efficient. It affects average repair order, profitability, and with them helping us track those numbers, we can tell where the problem is.
So the business flow chart is a remarkable tool because you can find the holes in your business and find not necessarily what your problems are, but also who your problems are, you know.
The business flow chart has been excellent. Just been in class this morning listening to another presentation on it, and every time I hear it, you pick up a little more and a little more, and it just defines your processes and makes the day a whole lot easier and profits a lot better.
Definitely finding the dollars and able to see exactly where the need is to make changes, and then as those changes are made, seeing instant results.
If business flowchart is used properly, all three pieces of it in unison, you can quickly diagnose exactly where the holes are or the pieces in your business that aren't quite being as successful as they maybe should be. And it always changes, so it's a constant flow with checking all three and balancing back and forth between the front and the back, and inspections and efficiency and appointments. So having the tools for shop flow it makes my life so much easier every single day.
It's helped smooth things out, and it's definitely helped our business grow. We probably doubled in size.
It's enjoyable to talk to like-minded people, motivated shop owners, and just getting a feel on how they handle issues and just day-to-day problems, because we all have the same problems, and you don't want to reinvent the wheel or anything like that. If they've handled it, and it's refreshing to be able to talk to people that has had the same issues that you have.
Fully engulfing the entire aspect of business. When I call my business coach with any type of issues that we have, they've been through it before, from hiring employees to terminating employees if that's what it comes down to, but generally it does not. They usually help us find ways to bring those employees to the level that we want them to be at.
Repair Shop of Tomorrow has helped me from working in my business to working on my business.
Community. And coming to these meetings, these masterminds, is unbelievable. I've been to many throughout my 40-some year career. I've been to many associations, conventions, meetings. Never been to one that is more hardworking and more effective. This is a close group. They start and are feeling like family. We help one another. We come away from this with so much information and so many good ideas, and we always come back and implement changes from it. So,
In my business, I think it's helped more in my personal life. Just getting me organized, getting more time with my family and grandkids. It's been the best thing that's ever happened to me personally. So it's not always about the business, it's about having a life after the business.
I would say overall, Repair Shop has given me the ability to work on instead of in. I no longer work a 40-hour work week, which was probably more than that when I first started. But I don't do the Monday to Friday 8 to 5 piece inside my business building anymore. I've learned to empower my staff to take care of what they need to take care of, so I can work on more marketing, more car count, more whatever it is. It gives me the opportunity to be more involved in my community business, and honestly, my why is my children. So I have more ability to be flexible and be there for them. And, I pay my bills. I don't worry about money anymore. It's to have my checkbook have a little bit of padding in it and not have to sweat it. That's the immediate benefit.